take little bit 2 minutes. Respected dais and of the dais, gives me the great pleasure to share some experience as a Aviskar research team leader in the college level, otherwise our college level. And nowadays the student is more interested to participate in research competition. Yesterday, which is the event which is happened in district level competition, Anna Sahib Dange College of Engineering and Technology. It is huge competition in the students, and one of the event, I think in pure science, more than 75 participants are there, and college has the good infrastructure and everything, but still in college level the students are more interested to participate in this research Aviskar event, because the one discipline only 2 entries available, it is presently, but I request to that authorities to increase another 2 students in that individual discipline, because in college level we have to that 1 student can only participate for each categories, because still the student demand is there. That is one. Again, I would like to say